The practice of automatically imposing the death penalty, a relic of colonialism, has been widely rejected as having no place in the modern world. A majority of countries have abolished the mandatory death penalty, and of the 53-nation Commonwealth, just 9 still impose this outdated law. And 6 of these have not carried out executions for at least 2 decades. That leaves just 3. In Malaysia, the death penalty is mandatory for murder, treason, and certain cases of drug trafficking and firearms offences. The individual circumstances of the case cannot be taken into account. The judge has no option but to impose a death sentence. An independent academic survey revealed that 53% of Malaysians were not informed about the death penalty. Most people did not even know that the death penalty was automatic for certain crimes. The same survey revealed a majority of Malaysians did not think the death penalty was appropriate in many case scenarios, deemed typical by the Attorney General's office. Case 1. 19-year-old male. Previous convictions, none. Crime. Shoots dead a drug dealer on orders of an older man. Case 2. Female. Previous convictions, none. Crime. Kills her abusive husband by deliberately poisoning his food. Case 3. 19-year-old male. Previous convictions, none. Crime. Broke into house at night carrying a loaded gun. Shoots at householder when disturbed but misses. No one is killed. Just 1 in 100 people thought the death penalty should be imposed in all the cases they were asked to consider. The mandatory death penalty is one of the reasons Malaysia's death row population is so large. At the end of 2017, it was reported there were more than 1,000 people under sentence of death in Malaysia. In Vietnam, 600, Thailand, 502, India, 371, Indonesia, 260, Japan, 134, and Singapore, around 40. Now Malaysia's newly elected government has promised to abolish oppressive laws, including the mandatory sentence of death by hanging, a penalty widely rejected across the world as an abhorrent practice that is unjust and inhumane. With the government, the international community, and the Malaysian public all opposing the mandatory death penalty, is it time to consign this colonial relic to history? Read the independent public opinion survey and other research at deathpenaltyproject.org.